Hi, I want to take you through using the latest ChatGPT 5.3 codex. So you'll see here, I'm actually running under MIT's enterprise license. And if I go to codec, I'll see this. And the way this works is this is going to run in a container that OpenAI is managing. Now, it'll write the code in that container, and we need to be able to save that code to GitHub. So we're going to need to set up a few things so that can occur. So we go to settings, and under environments, we create a new environment. So here it goes to a new page, and I'm going to choose, this is my GitHub name. So let me just show you GitHub here. Let me go to my repos. So here I've got a repo called Bouncing Balls. It's actually got nothing in the code. So if I look at the code, it's empty. But what we're going to do is we're going to write to this. So to do that, we need to go to our settings. So we go down to our GitHub settings. And if I scroll down here, we can go to applications. And here we need to connect our codec, ChatGPTCodex. So we go to that, and I'm giving permissions of read and write to all my repos. We could do a selective repo, but I'm going to do all of them. So we save that, and now we go back to our codec. So here on our codec, and we can search for the repo. So I'm going to go Bouncing Balls, and we'll choose it. And here we've got the name. Okay. And I'm sharing it with this enterprise. At the moment, it doesn't work if I go to only you here, but if I share with the whole enterprise, everything will work. And now what I can do is I can actually save that. I'll create that environment. Okay, so the environment is successfully created. We go back to the codec. Now we can input a prompt. So for example, let's just capture this prompt here, write an HTML file. So here you'll see now I need to choose that repo. So here it is, Bouncing Balls. Now I can put in the prompt, and we can let it go. Yeah, it's working on my task. So it's downloading the repo into the container that this is running in. So this is running, as I say, under a container managed by OpenAI somewhere, probably in the Azure cloud. And now it's developing code. And what eventually we'll do is we want to copy that code into our GitHub repo so that we've got access to it. So here you can see what it's doing. We could view the log of what's happening. Looks like it's testing it. Okay. If I view the log, it's finalizing the summary now. It's actually testing the code. It's running a Python server to test the HTML file. So here that's running on localhost 4173. Okay, it's creating the repository content. Okay, so now this is the code that it's written, and we can create here our repo. So this is going to write it up to our repo. Now we can do various things here, like we can check the code. Here's a preview of it. Let's go to our repo now and check the code. Go to bouncing balls. We should see a pull request. Yep, we've got a pull request. So let's go to that. Let's merge that request. Okay, so that's merged. If we go to the code, we'll see that we've got now, there's our code. We could, so for example, we could test it. Here, let me go and spin up a code space. Okay, and in that code space, let's see, it's finishing the setup. If yeah, here we go. Okay, what we can do is just go live, and here's our bouncing balls, and here they are. Add 5 more. Let's squish it down a bit so we can see the whole thing. Actually, it looks pretty good. Okay, so that's the cycle for using the codec to develop code up in an OpenAI container, that then we move that code to our GitHub, and then we can run it in code spaces, for example, or we can pull it down to our own machine and run it. But that's using the codec. Okay, bye for now.